Judge Van der B Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you.
Well,
Ooh. You all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back. I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way.
Hold on tight, Houston. This courtroom drama is about to get intense. A mother storms in, demanding custody of her child and child support. Sounds straightforward? Not quite. The child's been living with the father for years, and now she suddenly wants back in. To make matters messier, an ex-boyfriend with a known history of abuse is tangled in the mix. The judge isn't buying the sudden change of heart and is clearly not here for the drama. Tensions rise fast, and what starts as a custody battle quickly spirals into something much more chaotic. This case is anything but ordinary.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you and
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from him?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
From Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby has been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support. Yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense.
She claims. She lost the baby. But let's be real, Houston took the baby. That's a major red flag in legal terms. When a child is removed from a parent, it usually points to neglect, abuse, or an unsafe environment. And from what's coming out, it looks like her ex-boyfriend was the issue. But here's the kicker. Just because she's no longer with him doesn't mean she automatically gets the child back. Courts care most about the child's stability, and this kid has been living with dad for years. So the big question is, does she even have a case? Let's see what the judge decides.
To court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby.
Yep.
And he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah.
Here's where things really take a turn. She's in court asking for custody and child support at the same time. But let's be clear, this child has been living with the father his entire life. You can't just pop up one day, say, oops, my bad, and expect the court to hand everything over. And the judge? Not fooled for a second. Honestly, it's giving, I want the benefits without the responsibility. What do y'all think? Does she even have a right to be asking for child support in this situation? Because from the outside, it's looking pretty bold.
Pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money.
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is, it's based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that you're 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through my
Okay.
employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489.
She came in asking for $480, claiming she deserved support, only for the judge to hit her with a reality check. Boom, truth bomb dropped. Not only is she not getting child support, but she's the one who has to pay. And her reaction? Classic. The second the judge says, you're going to pay him child support, it's like the whole room freezes. Record scratch moment. The law is crystal clear. The custodial parent gets support, and since dad's been raising the child, it only makes sense. But somehow she's shocked. Did she really think she could just waltz in, flip the script, and walk out with a check? Nope. She owes him $100 a month. This case just keeps delaying.
How it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
So, $489.69 a month. Yep, that's her new bill. And she's not thrilled. But let's be honest, that's the cost of responsibility. The judge even cut her some slack by factoring in her other child. Bottom line? Courts don't play favorites. They look at the facts. And the fact is, Dad has been holding it down and doing the work. She walked in asking for support, but walked out with a bill. What do you think? Was this a fair ruling, or should she have been given a second chance?
Why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
And there you have it. A mother came in expecting a win, but walked out with a child support bill instead. The judge made one thing crystal clear. Custody isn't a revolving door. If a parent loses custody, they have to show consistent, long-term stability before they can even think about getting it back. Trying to flip the script for financial gain? Yeah, that's not going to work. This wasn't just a legal ruling, it was a reality check. If this case caught you off guard like it did us, go ahead and hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom showdowns. Until next time, stay tuned